Most of the AI video generators, if not all, can only generate 5 to 10 seconds video clip per output. You might be wondering, how do I get a long take video clips? In this particular video, I am going to teach you how you can achieve this, and it's actually very simple to do. The best part about this is that you don't need to be an expert in AI video content. All you need to do is to watch this video till the end. Yes. And if you are starting your AI content creation, this video will be very helpful for you. So let's watch this video to see what I'm talking about. Yes, welcome back again. And without wasting much of your time, if you're interested in learning how to do this, let's get straight to the video. How do you get your main character to remain consistent from point A to point B? The first thing I did is that I generated this image from ChatGPT. Then, in order to maintain consistency with an image similar to this, I downloaded it in my system. Then I uploaded it in Gemini and I asked it this prompt. What is the test prompt for the image uploaded, which is this one, that will allow me to generate consistent characters in every video clip? And Gemini gave me this answer. So this is the test prompt that I use. So you have to use this test prompt repeatedly and ensure that you don't make any changes in order to maintain consistency. Okay, I will show you how it is done. So after getting this test prompt, I copied it and I saved it in my Microsoft Word. Then for you to get your long take output, you need to use Google Flow. Okay, go over to Google Flow. If you don't know how to use Google Flow, watch my other videos on how to use Google Flow in my YouTube page. Go over to Google Flow and click on Create with Flow. When you click on Create with Flow, they'll ask you to start a new project. So you click on Start New Project. You have few options. You can either use text to video, or you do frame to video, or you use ingredients to video. Text to video allows you to use text prompts to get your video clips, which is like 8 seconds long for Flow. Frame to video allows you to use images to get your video clips, while ingredients to video allows you to use multiple clips, multiple images to get a video clip. If you are living outside the United States, you will struggle with frames to video, but most people living outside the United States use text to video, because frame to video outside the United States does not allow you to upload realistic images. You can only upload images that looks like cartoon. So for us to get this done, I clicked on text to video and I typed in that prompt. So you paste the prompt here, which is the test prompt that Gemini gave to you. Remember, Gemini is Google, while Flow is also owned by Google. So the reason why I am not using the image from ChatGPT is because of two reasons. The first reason is that I will struggle to upload an image here in Flow. And the second reason is that if I ask ChatGPT to give me a test prompt for a particular type of image, and I use that test prompt in Flow might struggle because it did not interpret that test prompt for me. So I might struggle to maintain consistency. So now what you have to do is to paste in your test prompt here. This is the test prompt of the first scene. This test prompt describes the main character and what the main character is doing. So this will only generate for me in an 8 seconds video output. Once you are done, go over to these settings and select your number of outputs, which is 1, and the model that you want to use. As you can see, I don't have the subscription today. So you can either choose VEO 3 fast, VEO 2 quality, or VEO 2 quality. For the purpose of this video, I will use VEO 3 fast. So once you are done selecting VEO 3 fast, you send it and it will generate for you. So this is the result. Of what VEO 3 generated for me. All right. This is the result of what VEO 3 generated for me. You only need VEO 3 for the first scene. Unfortunately, you will not be able to generate long take clips with VEO 3. You must use VEO 2 and it will remove the audio. So now we have gotten our first video clip. Let's watch it again. All right. My goal is for me to make sure that this particular character will continue to walk along this path until it exits a particular area. Now, how can we achieve this? For us to achieve this, we need to use a feature in VEO 3 called Add to Scene. You need to click on Add to Scene. Once you click on Add to Scene, it will come up like this, and you click on this plus icon. It will tell you to either jump to another scene or extend to another scene. The difference between jump to is that this particular character can go from this background to another background that is totally different. But if you're using the extend feature, it will continue. So what we are going to use is the extend feature. Click on extend. You type in the prompt of what you want to happen. I usually start by saying this particular phrase, continuing the previous shot. Then I repeat the test prompt again that describes my main character. After that, I will now describe what the main character will be doing. In this case, after describing my main character, which is this one, and which remained consistent from the previous or my first shots, I said, she passes closer to the large discolored white clown-like rabbit head and decaying. So you just tell us what happens next. Try to use test prompts that looks similar to the previous one. So you cannot go from point A. You cannot say that this particular character went from walking along a bush path to appearing in a street. No, you have to make the character to leave the bushy area first before you will introduce another background, which is a street. That is how you're going to do it. So you have to be creative with what you are doing. If you are struggling, you can get help from ChatGPT. So after that, you send it, but this time around, you need VEO 2 to get this done. Okay, you select VEO 2 as your model to get this done. So because if you try to send it with VEO 3, it will say this feature isn't supported with VEO 3. Switch to VEO 2 fast. So you have to switch, and it will automatically switch, and it will cancel the audio. That means no audio will be added in your second clip. So when you send it, it will extend. So when you send it, you will get another result. It's a continuation of the previous shot. So let's see the result of the second one. And to get the third scene, you also do the same thing. You follow the same process, add to scene, and then you continue. So guys, it's already late. As you can see, my light is very bad. And I was shooting this video and it became late at night. Yeah. Thank you guys for staying to the end of today's video. I really appreciate your support every single time. Okay. And please don't forget to like this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, and also turn on the post notification so that anytime I post a new video, you will be the first person to know. And don't forget to join my Telegram group. Okay. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.